Good morning dear children. Today we are going to do the word problems given in our textbook. Now all of you open your textbook, page number 21. Are you ready? Page number 21. Did you see word problems? Let us see how we use mathematics to solve daily life problems. How we use mathematics to solve daily life problems. The first question is, in a park, Simmi counted 132 red flowers and Arohi counted 128 yellow flowers. Who counted more flowers? Did you understand the question? Listen, in a park, Simmi counted 132 red flowers and Arohi counted 128 yellow flowers. Who counted more flowers? Now, how we will do the word problems? First we have to write the statement. It's given in your textbook. See, Simmi counted 132 flowers. That you have to write first. Simmi counted 132 flowers. 132. Then next you have to write Arohi counted. Arohi counted how many flowers? 128 flowers. What we have to do? We need to compare these two numbers, 132 and 128. You know how to compare the number. First we have to write the two numbers here, 132 and 128. Then start comparing these two numbers. How we will compare these two numbers? Yes, we have to check the leftmost side. Here in first number 132, the leftmost digit is 1. The second number 128, there is also the leftmost digit is 1. Both 1 and 1 are equal digits. Now you have to check the tens place. The first number 132, tens place is 3. Second number 128, the second number in the tens place there is 2. Now you can say 3 and 2. Which digit is the greatest digit? 3 is greater than 2. Now you can write from these two numbers 3 is greater, so 132 is greater than 128. 132 is greater than 128. Then who counted this 132 flowers? Simmi counted. So our answer is Simmi counted more flowers. Now you have to write Simmi counted more flowers. Simmi counted more flowers. Did you understand how we solved this problem? Listen here. One more time I will tell. From the question, we can write Simmi counted how many flowers? 132 flowers. Simmi counted 132 flowers. Then next, Arohi. Arohi counted how many flowers? Arohi counted 128 flowers. Our question is, who counted more flowers? For finding the answer, we need to compare these two numbers. Our numbers 132 and 128. You know how to compare these two numbers. You have to compare these two numbers from the leftmost digit. The leftmost digit first there is 1. The second number 128, there is also the leftmost digit is 1. So both the digits are equal. So we have to check the next digit. In tens place, here it is 3 and in the second number there is 2. 3 and 2. Now we have to compare these two digits, 3 and 2. You know which digit is the bigger one? 3 is bigger than 2. Now you can say 132 is greater than 128. 132 is greater than 128. So our answer is Simmi counted more flowers. Simmi counted more flowers. Did you understand how to solve the word problem? Clear? So the second question. What's the second question? Honey has 23 marbles. How many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? Read the question once again. Honey has 23 marbles. How many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? So first what you have to write? Write the statement. Honey has 23 marbles. What is given in the question that you have to write first? That is honey has 23 marbles. Now see here in your textbook it is given the marbles. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 marbles are given here. Already it is paired. Then total how many pairs? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 pairs and 1 extra marble. That marble has no pair. So what we can write? Our question is how many more marbles does she need to make 12 pairs? Now she has 11 pairs and 1 extra marble. Now she has 11 pairs and 1 extra marble. So that you have to write. Now she has 11 pairs. 11 pairs and 1 extra marble. So to make 12 pairs she needs how many marbles? For making one more pair she needs one more marble. She needs one more marble. We know 23 is an odd number. 23. In one's place there is 3. The numbers ending in 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So 23 is an odd number. So at last it has 1 extra marble. For making 12 pair we need 1 more marble. She needs 1 more marble. Did you understand? Okay. Next, question number 25. Solve these word problems. Question A. Ashu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. The number of cars they counted was more than 135 but less than 140. The number was an odd number ending with 7. How many cars did they count? Did you understand the question? Listen once again. Ashu and Mishu were counting cars on their way to school. The number of cars they counted was more than 135 but less than 140. The number was an odd number ending with 7. How many cars did they count? How we will do this problem? Ashu and Mishu counted some cars on the way to their school. Then one clue is given. The number of cars they counted is 130 more than 135 but less than 140. See here more than 135. More than 135 and less than 140. The number was an odd number ending with 7. Between this 135 and 140, how many odd numbers are there? We know the 135 less than 137, less than 139, less than 140. 100. Then between this 135 and 140, two odd numbers are there, 137 and 139. So, for finding the answer, one more clue is given in the question. The odd number ending with 7. The odd number ending with 7. From these two numbers, 137 and 139. Which one is ending with 7? Yes, this 137 is ending with 7. 137 is an odd number ending in 7. Now, how can we write the answer that is given? Ashu and Mishu counted dash cars. There you have to write 137. Ashu and Mishu counted. In the box you have to write 137 cars. Did you understand? Okay. Then next question. Question number B. Sam had even number of crayons. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two can form pairs? What's the question? Sam had even number of crayons. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Who out of the two can form pairs? So, what we have to write? First you have to write the statement. Sam had, question number B. Sam had even number of crayons. Sam had even number of crayons. Then Amanpreet. Amanpreet had odd number of crayons. Our question is, from these two, who can form pairs? Sam had even numbers and Amanpreet had odd numbers. Who can form pair? Yes, we know who had the even number of crayons can make pairs. So, Sam, what's the answer? Sam can form pairs. There you have to write Sam can form pairs. Sam can form pairs. Sam can form pairs. Clear? Then question number C. What's question number C? Sony had 11 toffees. How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? Sony had 11 toffees. How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? In your textbook there is given the picture. How many? 11 toffees. Then total how many pairs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs and 1 toffee left without any pair. Sony had 5 pairs of toffee and 1 toffee left with any pair. So making 6 pair. How many toffees more she need? She need 1 more toffee. So what you can write the answer? Sony needs 1 toffee. Question number C. What's the question? Sony had 11 toffees. How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? Did you understand the question? Sony has 11 toffees. How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? See here in your textbook there is given some toffees. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 toffees are given there. So now you have to write Sony had 11 toffees. 11 toffees. See here, with this 11 toffees, how many pairs formed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs and 1 toffee left without pair. 5 pairs and 1 toffee left without any pair. So here it is 5 pairs. With this 11 toffees, Sony made 5 pairs. 5 pairs and 1 extra toffee. Sony had 11 toffees. With this 11 toffees, she make 5 pairs and 1 extra toffee. 1 toffee left without any pair. Our question is, how many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? How many more toffees does she need to make 7 pairs? She need to make 7 pairs. For making 7 pairs, how many more toffees she need? She need how many more toffees? 3 more toffees. 3 more toffees. These 3 toffees she can make 1 extra toffee is here. So add 1 toffee to the extra toffee. Then she will get 2 pairs. Then total 7 pairs. Did you understand? Then the Sony needs how many toffees? There you have to write in the box. Sony needs 3 toffees to make. Sony needs 3 toffees. Clear? Question number D. What's question number D? Prachi has 165 stamps. Sonam has 178 stamps. Sonali has 139 stamps. Who among the 3 has more stamps? Who out of the 3 can form pairs? Did you understand the question? Listen once again. Prachi has 165 stamps. Sonam has 178 stamps. Sonali has 139 stamps. Who among the 3 has more stamps? Who out of the 3 can form pairs? So first we have to write the statements. From the question what we can write? Prachi has, it's given in your textbook. Prachi has dash number of stamps. How many stamps Prachi has? It's given 165. Read the question carefully and then you have to write the number correctly. Prachi has 165 stamps. Then next it is given Sonam has. Sonam has how many stamps? Sonam has dash number of stamps. Sonam has 178. From the question, read the question well and write the answer. Sonam has 178 stamps. Then next one is Sonali. Sonali has how many number of stamps? Sonali has 139 stamps. 139. Our question is who among the 3 has more stamps? Who among the 3 has more stamps? How we will check? We need to compare these 3 numbers. Compare these 3 numbers and write in their descending order. Descending order means the largest one first. First you have to write, check these three numbers. Which one is bigger? First we have to compare from the leftmost digit. 165, there is 1. 178, the leftmost digit is 1. 139, the leftmost digit is 1. So the first digits are same. Now we are not able to tell which one is the greatest number. Now you have to check the second digit in tens place. First number 165, there in tens place 6. 178, in tens place 7. 139, in tens place there is 3. Which one is the bigger number? 6, 7, 3. Which one is the bigger number? Yes, we know 7 is the bigger number. So the first box we have to write 178. 178 greater than, next 165 and 139. Compare the tens place, 6 and 3. Which number is the bigger number? Yes, we know 165 is greater than last number 139. From this we can write the answer. Now who has more stamps? Prachi, Sonam, Sonali. The bigger number is 178. The 178 stamps collected by Sonam. So we can write the answer. Sonam has more stamps. More stamps. Sonam has more stamps. Here the dash you have to write Sonam. Sonam has more stamps. What's the next question? Who out of the three can form pairs? Who out of the three can form pairs? See, what are our numbers? 178, 165 and 139. Can you say who can form the pair? Who collected the even number of stamps? Here 178, in ones place there is 8. Here 165, there in the ones place there is 5. 5 is an odd number. So 165 is an odd number. Then 139, in ones place there is 9. 9 is also an odd number. So 139 is an odd number. So who can form the pair? 178. Sonam. The question, second question answer is also Sonam. Sonam can form pairs. Sonam can form pairs. Did you understand how to solve the word problems? Read the question well and write the answers correctly. Hope all of you understood this portion. Now you have to do the textbook activities. Thank you.